Genesis 5th chapter 10 verses. After he begot Canaan, Enosh lived 815 years and had sons and daughters. 11th verse. So all the days of Enosh were 905 years and he died. He died. 12 verses. Canaan lived 70 years and he begot Mahalalel. 13 verses. After he begot Mahalalel, Canaan lived 840 years and had sons and daughters. 14th verse. So all the days of Canaan were 910 years and he died. 15th verse. Mahalalel lived 65 years and begot Jared. Jared. 16 verses. After he begot Jared, Mahalalel lived 830 years and had sons and daughters. 17th verse. So all the days of Mahalalel were 895 years and he died. 18th verse. Jared lived 162 years and begot Enoch. 19th verse. After he begot Enoch, Jared lived 800 years and had sons and daughters. 20th verse. So all the days of Jared were 962 years and he died. 21 verses. Enoch lived 65 years and begot Methuselah. 22 verses. After he begot Methuselah, Enoch walked with God there 100 years. Enoch walked with God 300 years and had sons and daughters. 23 verses. So all the days of Enoch were 365 years. And Enoch walked with God, and he was not, for God took him. 25th verse. Methuselah lived 187 years and begot Lamech. 26th verse. After he begot Lamech, Methuselah lived 782